What is agenda? Now, mind well, we have two words, agenda and minutes. Now, one thing is to be sure, agenda is before meeting and minutes is after meetings. Now, agenda is written before meetings and minutes are written after meetings. Now, so simply, agenda will be a plan and minutes will be what has happened in the meeting. So let us discuss about agenda. It is a list of matters to be taken up as at a meeting. Means it is a list of things that this to be done, this is to be done, this is to be discussed. So it is a list and it is to be considered in the meeting. Agenda is an outline of what the meeting will address. Means what the discussion and what will be the focus of any meeting. It is the outline of that. It is not the actual meeting, but it is the outline that this meeting will be about this, right? So agenda is the version of the meeting plan. So as I told you, it is actually the plan of meeting and it is shared with meeting attendees. Means you should give before meeting agenda to the person who are invited in the meeting attendees. Why? They should be clear about what there will be in the meeting, what is the questions, what are the points to be discussed, what are the issues to be discussed. If the attendees have meeting agenda with them, the meeting will be successful because it means that planning makes successful. So agenda is itself a plan. Agenda of a meeting is the plan of what is supposed to happen in the meeting and when it is to happen. Now, it is what is supposed to happen means it is expected that these are the things will be discussed in the meeting. These are the people who will be talking in the meeting. These are the people will be talking on this or this issue. So, this is the future plan about the meeting that will happen in the discussion. Agenda is an official list of things. Now, generally meetings are generally official meetings. So, it is official list and generally the chairperson prepares the agenda. He has the right to do that. It is a list of what is things to be done or to be dealt with in a particular meeting. It is usually sent along with the notice of the meeting. Now, what happens? A notice of the meeting is given and agenda is also attached with that. If subject matter of the meeting is secret, agenda may not be circulated. Just it is said that there is a meeting. But generally, agenda is always attached with official meeting and if the meeting is really planned and important. What are the tips of writing a real good agenda for meeting? First of all, make a list of those who will attend the meeting. Means who will be present in the meeting, who are invited to be present in the meeting. So first make a list of that because you are going to send them the agenda and you are also to give them the role in their meeting. You are also giving them the topic of discussion. Make a list of items, subjects to be discussed in the meeting. Second thing is you must make the topics, the issues that you have to discuss in meeting. Then note the purpose of including a topic in the agenda. Means if you include a topic, you write down what is actually the purpose of including this topic. Do you want to seek more information from other attendees? Do you want to have discussion, brainstorming? Do you want to make a new decision, policy making decision in the meeting? What is the purpose of actual this topic in the meeting? So decide about that. Then the agenda should list the attendees, the meeting time also must be there, the place of meeting must be there and topics as I told you. Now, if the meeting includes presentations, means nowadays we always have presentations in the meetings. So always give time, list the time allotted for each speaker. If there are 10 presentees, you should allot exact time that you have 5 minutes to present, you have 10 minutes to present. Otherwise, the meeting will not have defined time and it will last very long. Indicate an approximate length of the meeting. Now, approximate length means we do not know how much time the meeting takes, but we can actually approximately we can say that it will last for 1 hour, 2 hour, half hour. So you define, you just write down in the agenda that the meeting will last for 1 hour, means 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 4. You just give exact time so that the other participants can plan their rest of day. Use descriptive headings, means you give headings not very short but describe whatever actually you want to discuss. Only short brief phrases may not indicate what actually the topic is. Ensure a logical flow from one item to the next, means the meeting is about some important points, but we should also logically arrange them, means very important points should be discussed first. Those points which are not much important should be discussed at last. A review of the previous meeting's agenda should also be there. Means if you are making a meeting agenda for new meeting, you should also think about the previous meeting agenda. What happened sometime in last meeting agenda, some of the things were left out. Time was not there. Some people were absent. So you can include them in the next agenda. If some of the discussions were not done, you can include them in the new agenda. The agenda is usually prepared by, as I told you, by secretary or by chairperson. If the school is there, the principal. Agenda is always signed by the chairperson or secretary because he is the one who prepares the agenda. Generally, secretary is always there who is doing all these things. What are the advantages if we write down agenda? First is it confirms the date, time and place. Agenda, it is confirmed that this is the time, this is the place and this is the date when the meeting will be held. Second is it directs the course of meeting. It gives the way and perfect direction that this is the way in direction we want to go. We want to have that discussion. It prevents digression. Digressions means the talk which is not actually related to the meeting. If we have agenda, all the participants will stick to the topic. They will not wander anywhere. They will not talk about, they will not make stories. They will talk about what actually is in the agenda. As I told you, in many agenda, each participant is also given topic. So he cannot talk about anything. He will be easily able to prepare about his topic. It gives members time to think, time to seek information, collect information, prepare his notes, prepare his presentation if he is given in advance. He may also think about argument in other topics. It presents manageable list of items. Means what happens if we prepare agenda, it will be manageable for us to complete in 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. It helps members to come to a consensus. Now consensus means you agree with everybody, means everybody agrees with this. Now meetings are generally for what? To agree or to disagree on a certain point. So when there is an agenda, all the members come with their mind clear if they agree with this point or not. So simply we can have a consensus. Disapproval or approval, no issue, but we have agreement. What is the standard format for an agenda? In an agenda, first there must be title of agenda. What is the meeting called for? Then meeting is called for by whom? Where is the meeting? When is the meeting? Who will be heading the meeting? So date, time, location must be there. Even somewhere there is conference room number is also given. Meeting room number can be given. Then you should give attendee list who will be attending. If there are special guests, special speakers, special experts, special individuals, give their names in the agenda. Then brief statement about the meeting objectives means the outline. What is exactly if the meeting is about budget, you should give the outline about the objectives. This is the objective of meeting. Then write schedule outline the main elements of the meeting. Then comes main elements. Then allocate time in the schedule for special guests 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Then also leave extra time for question answer at the end of meeting means 10 minutes for question answer Q&A. And also provide outline of the discussion topics. So these are the main topics for agenda. See here an example. This is an agenda of Nokia Mobiles Company, a meeting of the regional managers of Nokia Mobiles will be held. Now see, this is the title, Nokia Mobiles company name, will be held on Monday, May 21, 2012 in the head office of New City, Lahore, 11 a.m. Now see, the time, the place, the dates are given. Then the name of participants. The following will participate in the meeting: Mr. Amir Mahmood, Kamran Akbar, Muna Salim, Ahmad Hanif, Din, Managing Directors, Manager Nokia, Sub-Manager, Manager Nokia. Then comes purpose of the meeting, salary structures of employees, energy crisis, improvement in service, launching the new product. These are the points that will be discussed. This is the simple format of agenda. We are not talking about any high profile meetings. Then we have a second sample, design meeting agenda. This is actually the title of the sample. Purpose to get creative ideas for the ABC software means it is about software development. We have separately written time, place. Here see conference room number E is also given. Exact time is given 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. So it will last for 1.5 hours. Then we have attendees, new products manager, software engineering manager, designers, technical publication manager, technical training manager. They will be the attendees. Who will present what on what topic? I mean ABC software, ABC will present and time will be this 15 minutes of time. See here the topic, the presenter name, just ABC for format only, and this is the time given. Such can be the meeting agenda. Third example of a college. This is very simple. Cultural program related agenda. There is such meeting. Time is given, date is given, and venue. Venue means the place. Vidyarthi Sabhagruh. So what is the topic of agenda? Reading and confirmation of the minutes of previous meeting. Previous meeting minutes will be read. Then presentation of the report of activities of previous year. Then planning of college annual gathering. Then organization of a lecture series in February. Then organization of a book exhibition. Okay. So these are the topics. This is a simple agenda of a simple meeting in a college.